This is the Jay Flight Bungalow. I cannot even tell you how big it is. I couldn't even get it all in one shot. Check that out. Holy cow, that is a big RV. Love it, Jayco. So let's take a look at just the outside. I love these sliding glass doors, y'all. Man, that is so cool. I wish that we had this when we were looking for ours. Every year, it's like you need to get the latest and greatest. So they've got that sliding door entrance that you can go in. It's also got a rear entry back here. This is separate bedroom. So if you've got a teen or somebody that wants their own bedroom and their own space, this is definitely motivation to get them camping. If you want to go full-time or for long periods of time, this is one of the latest trends that people are doing, are these second bedrooms with their own entrance. I mean, this is its own suite. I am loving it. So you've got back here all kinds of closet space, washer dryer hookup so you can clean your clothes while you're on the road. Lots of drawers. And then you've even got more cabinet hanging space in there as well. But this is a really big, this is a queen size. So this is a nice separate room. Then you come in here and you guys, you've got steps to go up. I am just loving this bungalow so much. Can you tell? And then you come up here and oh my goodness, you can fit at least 2 kids, at least. So they've got 2 little twin full mattresses up here. They've got room for their books. They've got room for their games back there. Lots of sunlight coming in up here. And there's actually even more space right there. But you guys, that's not it. To the right of the staircase, if I don't fall down the stairs here, you can see that there is another bunk. So this, oh man, this one is going to hold a lot of kids. You could at least fit 2 or 3 kids on that. So you could really come with the cousins and the friends for this rig. And if this is just going to be for your kids, minimum of 2 kids, I would say there. So you've got room for 4 kids up here. Plus you've got your own bedroom for the teen that we just looked at. So now we're going to go back down the stairs here because we still haven't even gotten to the master yet, you guys. So then you come in here. Here's your sliding glass door. Love it. Oh my gosh, look at all this space. This is like RV heaven, you guys. So you can see that this folds out. If somebody wants to sleep there, they can. Or if they just want to kick back after a long day, relax. And then you've got more lazy boy seating over here. So I prefer the couch. I love the couch. My husband and kids prefer lazy boys. So you can actually do either. And then you've also got the table. This is something that I would not give up in an RV. Make sure that you get one that has a table. And I love that you've got temporary seating here. It's got a leaf on it. This pulls out. Oh, that's nice. So this pulls out and it extends it even farther. And then you've got over here the permanent seating that, you know, will stay there. So let me just show you from back here how much space that you have. This is massive. And the ceiling fan that's built in, gorgeous pantry. Oh, this looks like a wine cellar. It's so pretty. Oh, and it's even got the slow release doors. You can see that one's still opening up. It's got the lights on the inside. The nice residential fridge here and tons of prep space. If you're one that likes to cook, man, you are going to be loving this kitchen. You've got a lot of drawers, cabinets, space to cook, spaces for a buffet. You've got your range. You've got your full Thanksgiving turkey oven, and you've got your microwave. All kinds of cabinets up above. This is a really nice refrigerator. As you can see, you're going to be able to have a lot of space. I like to go I like to go grocery shopping like about once every couple weeks. So I like to stock up, and this trailer allows you to do that. And guess what? We still have not even seen the master yet. So let's go behind this closed door here. And so this is actually a really nice large bathroom. You can see that it's got pretty appliances, lots of space to get in and out, room to get changed. And so this is a really nice living space. So you guys, the thing I love about this bungalow is that the master is set off. This is actually the master here, and it is set off, tons of space. And then the kids each have their own space when you go up these stairs. And then you've got a lot of living room space. And this screen sliding door makes all the difference in the world. This is a great RV for families, y'all.